Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. So welcome to a different video, and today's video is gonna be about the IT market, right? Getting into IT, working with IT as a career. And by the way, if you don't know, if this is your first time watching my video, I basically upload videos of myself every day working on code, right? I'm trying to learn JavaScript, React, work my way towards front end or full stack developer. But this video is a bit different because the thing is, like, I just finished an interview at an IT consultant company, and the position is IT support, right? Which is usually the like if you want to get into IT, that's usually the entrance. It's like an entrance ticket, right? Which allows you to get a foot in the the field, and you can work your way up and stuff like that. So I'm extremely happy for the interview, right? I think it went well, and I will receive an answer next week. So if I actually get the job, it's gonna be huge because that company is like he told me, the interviewer told me that I can take courses, right? I can specialize myself in different sectors. So I will not work with front end yet, but it's gonna be a step closer to that, right? And I think it's a good replacement for my current job. It's gonna be more relevant, and so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys on this channel. A little update, right? And I will update you more whenever I get the job. Even if I don't get the job, it doesn't matter because it's already a win for me. The fact that I got into the interview, and they put a lot of effort, right? Like, he gave me a presentation, he asked me questions, all these things. So I'm really excited for it. But the reason I'm also making this video is because I want to share my my thoughts about this, right? Because I feel like a lot of people right now, like, if you are studying, maybe you're studying IT yourself, maybe you're trying to get into code and development, right? You want to be a developer, something like that. And in my opinion, the only ways to get in is either you have to be extremely good, right? And that means you have to learn very quick. You have to be able to build complex web applications. You have to be very proficient in many languages. Or you have to know someone that's already in the company, right? And those seems to be the ways of like getting into IT nowadays, right? Before, you could just it was just enough to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? Create some projects and get in. But the market has changed completely, so you need new strategies to get in. Because not everyone can be super good, right? I know this should take a long time to learn, at least for me. I'm not gonna act like I'm a fast learner and stuff. It's not even that I'm a fast learner, it's just that I don't have so much time, right? That's why I upload every day. I try to do I chip at it bit by bit, right? Because it's a lot, especially with jobs, and like right now, I'm going to work night. The network of my laptop is not working, so I don't know how I'm gonna upload this video, but I'll figure out a way. And yeah, guys, it's just really hard, the market right now. So, but like I said, the company that I got into for is a IT consultant company. Basically, a company that delivers IT solutions, right? And they hire people and they send people to different companies to work on site. If I get this job, it's gonna be a huge upgrade to my current job, and it's gonna be closer to what I'm studying, right? So that's why I wanted to share this with you guys, that if you are, because I see so many people online that are like trying to get into IT, right? People that have studied years in computer science, they have a computer science degree, they've taken masters, they've invested a lot of money, right? They're in student debt to get an IT job, and they're not even able to get in the major they're studying. So a tip for me would be to try to get like a position as an IT support, right? Like at the bottom of the IT market if you're struggling, right? That is if, because it's going to give you a foot in and it's going to help you to basically develop, right? Like if you can work as an IT support, that is IT, right? And usually in companies, they will offer like training, which is what I have in my company. And that is my goal. Like once I get my position, like if I get the job, I will start working as an IT support, and then I will like take courses and I will like develop myself more, right? So I'm not only gonna study JavaScript and stuff, I'm just gonna do more. And who knows, maybe I'll find something else, right? Because my goal was to get into IT. That is my goal. I just want to work in IT. And I am passionate about computers. You know, I know a lot about it to help people. I usually help people with computers, so we'll see. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm gonna continue my JavaScript series. But I'm extremely happy. Just the fact that I got into you is really good. But the market has definitely changed, right? It's not enough to be a front-end developer, full stack. And often you have to start with something that's not related to what you're studying, right? So I didn't see it coming, right? I was in my head, obviously, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna study front end and I'm just gonna get a job as that, but didn't go that way for me. So, but it's good. I'll take it, you know. And I mean, if I get the job, I haven't gotten the job yet, but I will update you guys next week about the final decision. So yeah, so if you are someone that's like working, like you're doing something similar as I am, like you're grinding, coding every day, trying to learn, even when people are not seeing your work, nobody knows what you're doing. Maybe this can be helpful for you, right? Like I said, I'm documenting everything. I'm sharing everything, my journey and my thoughts and my experiences. So if you happen to watch this video, maybe it's something you can consider. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I will upload day 72 later today. Like I said, I have some issues with my laptop. I can't connect to the internet, but I will use tethering, USB tethering, and try to make that work. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.